नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, लास्ट लेक्चरला आपण डिफरन्शिएशन या टॉपिक मधला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन हा पार्ट पाहिला. त्यावर बेस्ड काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण पाहणार आहोत. त्या पार्ट मध्ये आपण कंपोजिट फंक्शनचा थेरम त्याचबरोबर काही स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युले पाहिले. या स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युल्यावरतीच डिपेंडंट काही एक्झाम्पल्स आज आपण इथे पाहणार आहोत. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल मी घेते, एक्सरसाइज 1.1 आहे हा. डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज कॉस ऑफ x square plus a square. Okay, let y is equals to cos of x square plus a square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equals to, we know that cos of f of x, we consider this function, that means x square plus a square as a f of x. By using formula cos of f of x is equals to मायनस साइन ऑफ f ऑफ x इंटू f डॅश ऑफ x. स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युला जो होता आपण पाहिला त्यानुसारच याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह होणार आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉस ऑफ x स्क्वेअर प्लस a स्क्वेअर इज नथिंग बट मायनस ऑफ साइन x स्क्वेअर प्लस a स्क्वेअर. अँड अगेन हे कंपोजिट फंक्शन असल्यामुळे याचा अगेन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला घ्यावा लागेल. दॅट मीन्स इट बिकम्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x ऑफ x स्क्वेअर प्लस a स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू मायनस साइन ऑफ x स्क्वेअर प्लस a स्क्वेअर अँड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह with respect to x of x square plus a square, it can be written as derivative with respect to x of x square plus derivative with respect to x of a square. We know that derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of a square with respect to x. Here a square is a constant, therefore derivative of a square with respect to x is 0. Therefore it becomes minus sine of x square plus a square into 2x plus 0. That means minus 2x into sine of x square plus a square. Okay, the next one. Second example is root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. ओके, हे दिलेले जे फंक्शन आहे ते स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये फंक्शन आहे पा f ऑफ x आहे. जर सपोज आपण हा f ऑफ x कन्सिडर केला की e रेज टू 3x प्लस 2 प्लस 5 अशा पद्धतीचा आहे. फर्स्ट आपण दिलेले फंक्शन आपण y कन्सिडर करूया. देअरफॉर सोल्युशन इज लेट y इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट ऑफ e रेज टू 3x प्लस 2 प्लस 5. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to, we know that derivative of root of f of x by using composite function, it can be written as 1 upon 2 times root of f of x into f dash of x. By using that formula, we can be written as derivative of root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 is 1 upon 2 times root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 and again derivative of f of x, that means derivative with respect to x of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Okay, after that this can be written as it is 1 upon 2 times root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 and again taking derivative separately, that means derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. Therefore it can be written as derivative with respect to x of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus derivative with respect to x of 5. We know that derivative of e raised to f of x by using standard formula of composite function, derivative of e raised to f of x is nothing but e raised to f of x into f dash of x. Therefore derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2 can be written as e raised to 3x plus 2 into derivative with respect to x of this 3x plus 2. And also we know that derivative of 5 is 0, therefore it can be written as plus 0. Again the next one. First जी टर्म आहे ते आपण as it is carry केलेले आहे is equals to 1 upon 2 times root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 into e raised to 3x plus 2. Derivative of 3x is nothing but 3 constant बाहेर घेऊयात आपण. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1, therefore it becomes 3 and also derivative of 2 is 0. Therefore the answer is 3 by 2. Here e raised to 3x plus 2 into this 3. मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे पहा, हे 3 मल्टिप्लाइड आहे त्यामुळे हे ॲज इट इज लिहिलेलं आहे. 3/2 हा टर्म होईल. अगेन दिस e raised to 3x plus 2 upon this root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Okay, next example is 3 upon 5 into cube root of 2x square plus 7x minus 5 bracket raised to 5. पहा, फर्स्ट आपण हे एक्झाम्पल नीट आपण समजावून घेऊयात. सपोज दिलेले फंक्शन आपण y कन्सिडर केलं. लेट y इज इक्वल्स टू 3/5 इंटू क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2x square minus 7x minus 5 bracket raised to 5. We know that cube root that means raised to power 1/3 असते. Already ही bracket raised to power 5 आहे. Therefore this term we can be written as also y is equals to 3/5 into 2x square minus 7x minus 5 bracket raised to 5/3. ओके, ब्रॅकेट रेस टू 5/3 हा डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये जी टर्म आहे, जेव्हा आपण न्यूमरेटर मध्ये शिफ्ट करू तेव्हा त्याचा जो काही रेसिप्रोकल असणार आहे तो रेसिप्रोकल काय होणार आहे, निगेटिव्ह होईल. देअरफॉर दिस y also can be written as 3/5 2x square minus 7x minus 5 bracket raised to minus 5/3. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this y becomes derivative of y with respect to x, that means dy by dx. And also this 3/5 constant as it is आपण पुट केलंय. Now या ब्रॅकेटचं आपल्याला डिफरन्शिएशन करायचं आहे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. वी नो दॅट द फॉर्म्युला f ऑफ x ब्रॅकेट रेस टू n हा आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. f ऑफ x ब्रॅकेट रेस टू n या दिलेल्या फॉर्मचं कंपोजिट फंक्शन नुसार डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कशा पद्धतीचं येतं, n इंटू f ऑफ x bracket raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. By using same formula, this term we can be written as this 3/5 as it is. Now we have to take derivative of this function. Now derivative of this function f of x bracket raised to n form आहे, त्यामुळे n into f of x raised to n minus 1 अशा पद्धतीने होईल. Therefore it becomes minus 5/3 into 2x square minus 7x minus 5 whole bracket raised to minus 5/3 minus 1. हा आपण फॉर्म यूज केला f of x bracket raised to n चा. इंटू काय असतं f dash of x, that means into derivative with respect to x of this f of x, that means 2x square minus 7x minus 5. Now आता आपण हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करूयात. दिस 3 गेट कॅन्सल, 5 ऑल्सो गेट कॅन्सल, मायनस साइन रिमेनिंग राहणार आहे. आणि ही टोटल जी काही पॉवर होणार आहे ही काउंट करूयात. जेव्हा आपण काउंट करू, ही सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करू, तेव्हा ही जी टोटल पॉवर आहे ही होईल -8/3. देअरफॉर इट कॅन बी रिटन एज मायनस ऑफ 2x square minus 7x minus 5 whole bracket raised to -8/3. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x of this term, that means this bracket. Therefore to take as it is a common or constant term. Now derivative with respect to x of x square minus 7 as it is constant, derivative with respect to x of this x minus derivative with respect to x of this 5. We know that derivative of x square is 2x, derivative with respect to x of x is 1 and derivative of 5 is 0. That means it is because of this reason it is a constant. Okay, therefore after simplification it can be written as मायनस 1 अपॉन ही जी टर्म आहे हा रेसिप्रोकल याचा निगेटिव्ह आहे. जेव्हा आपण डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये शिफ्ट करू इट बिकम्स पॉझिटिव्ह. देअरफॉर इट ऑल्सो कॅन बी रिटन एज मायनस 1 अपॉन in bracket 2x square minus 7x minus 5 whole bracket raised to 8/3 into 2 into 2x minus 7. Okay, after simplification this can be written as, therefore the final answer is dy by dx is equals to this minus sign and this 2 into 2x, that means 4x. It becomes minus 4x, minus sign and this minus sign become plus, therefore it become plus 7. Therefore it can be arranged this way: 7 minus 4x upon 2x square minus 7x minus 5 bracket raised to 8/3. Now we take the next example. Next example is cot raised to q into log of in bracket x cube. Okay, now we have to solve this function. In this example it is also trigonometric function or logarithmic function. Okay, first upon we consider given function is a y, therefore let y is equals to cot cube of in bracket log of x cube. We know that cot of cube it also can be written as cot of 3 log of x bracket raised to cube. पहा हे कशा पद्धतीने दिलेले आहे. जेव्हा आपण sin square x अशा पद्धतीचे टर्म कन्सिडर करतो तेव्हा sin square x is also be equals to sin of x whole bracket raised to square. Okay, same way cot cube x also can be written as cot of this x whole bracket raised to 3. Okay, then next term, we know that the property of logarithm, log of x raised to m or log of x raised to n also can be written as n into log of x. Therefore, by using these properties, this y can be written as cot into 3 times log of x whole bracket raised to cube. Okay, then next, now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to, आता हा फॉर्म आपल्याला हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करायचं. सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करताना कोणत्या पद्धतीचा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला यूज करता येईल हे आपल्याला पाहायचंय. फॉर्म्युला यूज करत असताना इथे हे कॉट फंक्शन आहे, पण कॉट फंक्शन डायरेक्टली कॉट ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स नसून होल ब्रॅकेट रेस टू अगेन 3 आहे. त्यामुळे हा जो फॉर्म आहे, हा फॉर्म सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करत असताना आपल्याला याला एफ ऑफ एक्स ब्रॅकेट रेस टू एन यानुसार कन्सिडर करावं लागेल पहिल्यांदा सिम्प्लिफिकेशनसाठी कंपोजिट फंक्शनला. आणि त्यामुळे एफ ऑफ एक्स ब्रॅकेट रेस टू एनचा आपण फॉर्म्युला यूज करणार आहोत. जो फॉर्म्युला आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स ब्रॅकेट रेस टू एन इज नथिंग बट एन इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स ब्रॅकेट रेस टू एन मायनस 1 इंटू एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स. त्या फॉर्म्युलानुसार हे जे काही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे कॉट into 3 times log of x bracket raised to cube, it can be differentiated 3 times 3 हा as it is इथं multiplied होईल into cot of 3 log x bracket raised to 3 minus 1 that means square into again derivative of this function, that means derivative of f of x. Therefore it becomes derivative with respect to x of cot of 3 log x. Okay, then next term, first term as it is राहणार आहे, ती simplified already consider झालेली आहे. 3 cot of 3 times log of x whole bracket raised to square. Okay, we know that this can be also written as 3 into cot square 3 log x. Now we differentiate this term. We know that derivative of cot is minus cosec. Okay, therefore by using formula cot of f of x, this can be written as minus cosec square f of x into derivative of f of x. Therefore it becomes minus cosec square 3 log x into derivative with respect to x of this 3 log x. We know that this minus sign, it can be written as minus 3, ही term जी आहे minus cosec square 3 log x ही multiplied होणार आहे, त्यामुळे ती होईल minus 3 times cot square 3 log x into this cosec square 3 log x. Now derivative of 3 times log x. Derivative of 3 log x with respect to x is 3 as it is constant आहे. log x चं derivative जे काही येतं ते येतं 1 upon x. Okay, therefore after simplification it can be written as minus 9 upon this x into cot square log of x cube into cosec square log of x cube. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, त्यानंतर आपण नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल पाहूयात. a raised to 3 into sin square x minus 2 cos square x. This is our next example. First upon let y is equals to given 3 e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 times cos square x. दोन्ही साइडला डिफरेंशिएट करत with respect to x. Now this y becomes dy by dx and we have to take derivative of this function. हे दिलेलं फंक्शन कशा टाइपचं आपल्याला दिसतं पहा, a raised to f of x या टाइपचं. या ठिकाणी f of x म्हणजे 3 into sin square x minus 2 cos square x आहे. What is the formula for derivative of e raised to f of x? It is e raised to f of x into f dash of x. By using same formula, derivative of this function is e raised to 3 sin square x minus cos square x as it is, and again derivative with respect to x of this function, that means derivative with respect to x of 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Now write down this term as it is, e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Now 3 constant as it is, derivative with respect to x of first upon sin square x minus 2 as it is constant, derivative with respect to x of cos square x. We know that sin square x we can be written as sin x bracket raised to square, or also cos square x we also can be written as cos x bracket raised to square. We have to find derivative with respect to x of sin x bracket raised to square, not sin x. Okay, therefore we use the formula f of x bracket raised to n. We know that f of x bracket raised to n, derivative of that form is n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. Therefore, it can be written as is equals to e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 3 as it is. Derivative with respect to x of sin x bracket raised to square, it can be written as 2 into sin x, and again derivative with respect to x of sin x minus this 2 as it is. Again derivative of cos x bracket raised to square is equals to 2 into cos x into derivative of cos x. We know that derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore, this term can be written as e raised to 3 into sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 6 sin x into this cos x minus 2 into this 2, that means minus 4 cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Finally, therefore, dy by dx is becomes this sin x, 6 times sin x cos x, it minus become plus 4 times cos x sin x. Therefore, it can be written as 10 times sin x into cos x, or 10 times cos x into sin x into this e raised to 3 sin square x minus cos square x.